hope you're doing well. So today, as you saw from the title, we are going to be prepping for a coconut girl aesthetic. I never really planned for it. This year I really want to plan it and to prep for it so that way we can have like the best summer, and it's also an excuse to go through my wardrobe and actually fold it. Anyway, I'm so excited for this. I love prepping for seasons. Yeah, let's get ourselves together. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is to actually do some research. I love to create a new vision board for each season because it really helps me see the overall vibe that I want this season to bring, and also plan my activities, my bucket list, and also my outfits. When it comes to my outfits, I like to see what the vibe is for the aesthetic, and then from there I will look through my closet first and see what I already have. I'm not for over consumerism, I don't promote that. Whenever I shop for pieces, what I like to ask myself is this trendy, or is this really something I will keep wearing throughout the years? Okay guys, I'm done, and I realized that in the end I didn't have that many pieces for summer because I kind of like got rid of a lot of them because they weren't my style anymore or they didn't fit me. I am almost done with work today. I actually have to record a podcast, and before I do, I want to make myself a drink. Now, if you're not on the podcast, you might not know that, but basically last time we talked about maybe trying matcha mojito, like doing it myself. And now that I have matcha and I have like mint growing in the garden, I'm going to pick up some mint and make a matcha mojito so I can sip on it while I record my podcast episode. So it works out perfectly because I'm really thirsty and it's really hot right now. Let me just give you a very quick garden update. So as you can see, we have like the strawberries here. My roses are growing. Also, these are roses that my boyfriend actually got me for like Valentine's Day, I think. Don't mind the mess. Wait, actually I'm scared because there was like I'm low-key scared because we found like a huge spider yesterday. So okay, I think she's gone though. We have some tomatoes growing. I don't know if you can see them. And then oh my god, we have the zucchini. You guys, it's always crazy how it grows here. Okay, so for those of the podcast, I mentioned that we have mint growing, and basically what I meant was we planted the mint here and then we cut it, and now it's literally growing all over this. Like, let me show you. This is mint. This is mint. This is mint. Okay, now the matcha. Guys, now for the pour. Oh my god, I'm so stressed. I shouldn't be that stressed. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, this looks so cute. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the matcha is really staying on top of it. It's gonna be fantastic. Let's mix it up. Also, this is my first time trying matcha without milk, so just like something watery. I'm scared that maybe I put too much. Okay guys, let's taste it. This is going to be my drink for the summer. It tastes like a cocktail. Like, oh my god, my sister is going to freak out. I'm going to send her this right now. Not her sending me this. She literally made a matcha herself. Let me just text her like... That was fun. Let's go record the podcast now before I finish this all up because it is that good, guys. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I vlogged for this video, but I just received a package. I only got 2 things, but I'm actually super excited because I've been wanting those 2 things for a while now. So also I feel like I'm always late to like trends and like fashion trends especially, but I don't care. I literally like, I will not get something if it's trendy, but the minute it's not trendy anymore, I'm like, oh my god, that was so cute. Like now I really want to get it, you know. Let's start with the small thing first. It's so cute, you guys. I am finally a flower clip girly. I feel like especially with this outfit today, which I didn't show you. You can't really see, but especially with this outfit that I have on today, I feel like it's gonna be perfect. I really feel like a coconut girl now. Okay, next thing. I've been so good with not overbuying stuff. Like I had a bag, like a handbag for a while. It's the pink one, you guys already know. And before that I had a white one, and both of them I wore them so much until like now they're showing signs of like being old, and I feel like it's a perfect time to get a new bag because I don't want to just be buying new stuff all the time. Like I don't want to be this kind of content creator, you know. Oh my god, you guys, I can finally be a shoujo girl. Whenever I look at my content, I'm like, oh my god, girl, like you're shoujo girl material. Like why aren't you putting more effort into that? Like it's the quality, I must say, is not the best. I can feel that it's not going to be a bag I'm going to keep forever. If it lasts at least a year, I will be happy because I'll be careful with it, but I feel like quality is a little weird, you know, like kind of like coconut girl, but like more of a soft shoujo girl vibe. Okay, so we have many keychains that we can choose, or I can put them all. The first one is this 𝒷𝓊𝓃𝓈 like card holder slash keychain to attach to the bag. This one was a gift from 𝒷𝓊𝓃𝓈. Back then when she came back from Japan, she gifted me this along with a Suica card for my next trip to Japan, which I don't know if it still has, like she told me it still has enough for a drink and that I should like get myself a drink once I'm there, but it's been years and I don't know if it still works, but I will definitely bring it with me to try. But if you didn't know, 𝒷𝓊𝓃𝓈 is my absolute all-time favorite character. She is me, literally me. And then I thought that would be symbolic to have this cute little cup of coffee. It's a Kirby cafe. And this one was actually from a lottery that my boyfriend won all the things for me. Like, I don't know, like he just participated in all of the things until he got all the items. So that's why I have like many Kirby things. And maybe as a symbolic of like my coffee addiction. I was debating if I should use the word addiction, but I can. And finally I have this, which I bought from a small business. I forgot its name though. It's so cute. That would look something like that, which is cute, you know, but at the same time it's hiding the bag a lot. Let's try this one. Yeah, I feel like this one is a hell yeah. It's giving the, you know, very messy, like voluminous kind of hair. And then, okay, for the outfit, what do we think? I feel like it's a vibe. All that time and I didn't even think about showing you in the glass, you guys. Anyways, so look at the fit, like, I don't know, I feel like it's super cute. as you can see, I'm all ready. I just filmed a short form content of just a little get ready with me for today, but I wanted to take you along with me today because we are going to finalize our shopping for the Coconut Girl summer. Okay guys, I'm here. I'm so excited. I just can't wait to see all the new pieces they have for Sanrio. It's really hot in the car, so I'm going to go out now, and I'm super excited. It feels like a little solo date, you know. Oh my god, you guys, that was a success. We have everything here. Also, I was so scared that I wasn't going to find a swimsuit, because this is why I came here. I came to get a swimsuit, but they didn't have that many swimsuits at Primark, or at least not the ones I was looking for. But then I stopped for a coffee. I was like doing my little solo date and enjoying myself. I walked to go out and I stopped by this shop that seemed like they were having some kind of like good deals, so I stopped and I was just looking around. I didn't even think they would have swimsuits, and at first I like almost gave up, you guys, because I couldn't find my size in the swimsuit. That was kind of interesting, but it wasn't really what I wanted. As I walk away, I see exactly like my size, you guys, and it was just like I just manifested it, because my eyes were just like on this, like my eyes went through the whole pile of clothes, and I pick it up and it was my size. So I was able to get a swimsuit, and I'm so excited because it's like literally the swimsuit that I was looking for. Like I had it on my Pinterest board. I can't wait to show you guys in a haul when I go back home. I am sweating, it is so hot. I'm going to blast the AC and play some music and go back home. I'm so tired, but that was a good successful day, and yeah, I'll see you at home. So we have banana, strawberries, Greek yogurt, coconut milk, vanilla syrup, and agave syrup. Now I feel ready to make my vision board. Let's go. It's really good. There. I need my headphones because I'm going to listen to a podcast.